and in this video, this is going to be our morning routine.
Yes.
It's going to be our morning routine.
Everything
we do now is what we usually do because this is a morning routine. And no morning routines. Morning routines. Morning routines.
Yeah.
Chelsea, where are you?
They're right here.
Where are you? Where are you? Okay, so usually our morning routine, so we're gonna go and have some breakfast.
Yeah, I wonder what we have in the fridge.
Yeah, I wonder what we're gonna eat. Oh, Chelsea, those are nice stickers you put on the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see what we're going to eat.
Wait,
There's nothing in the fridge.
Really?
Yeah, come on, take a look.
There's nothing in the fridge.
I know it was like just 5 days ago. I bought some groceries.
I want to put another sticker on the fridge.
Look, guys, there's nothing inside it. How am I gonna eat? How are we gonna have breakfast?
I want to put another sticker. I'm holding one.
You're holding a sticker? Let's see you hold the sticker. Nobody can see you hold the sticker. Okay, now they can. Oh, it's a star sticker. It's a nice star sticker. And the color is green.
Yep, I like
Green,
it.
green,
I like it.
green.
But let me put it a little bit.
Okay, oh, that was a nice job decorating the fridge with all these stickers. Wow, they look so pretty. Okay, now I think we're gonna have to go grocery shopping by hanging from a tree. Why do you want to go grocery shopping? We might buy a new toy
Oh, yeah.
or something.
You're right.
Okay, now let's go to the store.
See us at the store.
See you at the store, guys.
Yep.
So you're going to have to go in your car and drive along with you. So, come on. Guys, we're back from the store.
Yeah, we bought a lot of toys.
Yeah, because we bought... Oh, no. We bought this food with lots of food inside it.
I even have an LOL thing.
Yeah, we also bought some toys for Chelsea. We also bought some food.
Yeah.
And like a little mini card,
And these. And
like it's a girl's color.
I don't know like this.
Can we actually eat it? Let me see. Let's see if we can eat it. It's plastic. Wait. It has some cracks. It's broken already. Let's just open up the cracks. Whoa! It's actually a person. Nice.
I'm Broshin.
What is Broshin? Burger. Like a yummy burger. Okay, like a burger. Okay. Now let's see. Now look. There's we even got Chelsea a little hoverboard.
Yeah. Can I play with it?
And like a kind of so she can learn shapes better and stuff. So
Did you almost say butter?
yeah, I almost said butter.
That's kind of
So here's it. And I think that's it. So Ken, are you still watching the soccer game? Yeah, it's just about to end. But tell me, how's your hair dye? It was pretty good. You put all the food on the floor. Well,
for me to open.
I think we can throw in the trash. The lady gave us extra.
Yeah.
Look at all of the things that are on the floor now, Chelsea. Maybe you should be more careful next time. I guess now we have to throw it on the garbage. But good thing the lady gave us extra food for it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we better go start throwing it in the garbage. And there, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we forgot to do this. Oh, I almost forgot that this was a toy.
Yeah.
Because, it can kind of, Just go put your toys away in your room.
Okay.
Good, we're done cleaning up all of the food.
Yeah.
That's all that was on the ground.
There. Wait, I want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Chelsea, is for you to learn.
Oh. So, let's...
But you can also jump.
Okay, so... I'm going to jump. Circle. Square. Oval. Heart. Star. But what is this shape?
Okay, and I'm gonna make up some yummy breakfast.
I hope it doesn't pop out again. Good. Hey, it's kind of weird that it's actually facing up, but then it goes down, up and down, up and down. It's supposed to be like
Okay, now let me see if I can cook something there. Okay, I just gotta put on the stove.
But when we restock the food, what do we use this box for?
Maybe we can put all your toys in there. I don't really think the car will fit, but we can try. Okay, now all the food is ready.
Now let's actually stock everything.
Okay. Now let me put this plate of eggs on the table. The plate of eggs is for me. Maybe just right next to. I think I'm eating next to Ken. Yeah.
Who am I eating next to?
Chelsea, maybe you can eat over us. Like, do you want to sit on the orange or pink chair?
I want to sit on the pink chair.
Okay.
Now, which one chair are you sitting on?
Oh, I'm sitting on the pink chair. Ken is sitting on the orange one. Okay.
Okay.
Got that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now.
So now let's restock all the food.
Wait.
What?
Oh yeah, you're eating rice. I need to get your rice right on the table.
Let's restock all the food.
The plate of nothing. Just kidding. The plate has some rice. The plate has some rice. Yummy
Okay,
rice.
now let's restock the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh, my rice. No. I want to sit on the kitchen. Okay, now
Let's restock food.
are you talking like that?
Oh,
Let's restock the food.
So Chelsea, I know you've missed me, but guess what? I had an adventure, and I met Princess Amelia. And we switched. So I pretended to be the princess, and she pretended to be me. And it was so much fun, but now we're all back to normal.
Okay.
Oh, I remember. She was about to be queen, and we had so much fun adventures, and I pretended to be the princess, and Princess Amelia pretended to be me, Barbie.
That's cool.
Too bad you weren't there. You missed all of the fun adventures, but at least you could see the pictures.
Yeah.
It was so fun. There was like amazing, and it was like lots of adventures. And I had to practice how to be the Princess Amelia, and almost everybody thought I was Princess Amelia. But then in the end, they realized I was a real Barbie. So then I changed to the real Barbie, and then Princess Amelia was wearing the big crown. Oh, let me help you, Chelsea. I'm just gonna hold this one. I'm holding cheese. Yeah. I'm holding cheese. My adventure with Princess Amelia was pretty good, I guess. I need to put cheese. No, it's the cheese not coming off my hands.
What I used to do, if I want my baby to last, so going to bed, just find like a scarf, and tie that place down, so that even when you're showering, water will not really touch you, and it will last for you.
Yeah. That was pretty good. Well, I hear people talking outside. Actually.
Okay, now let's restock.
The people that are talking outside, they're talking pretty loud because they're outside and they don't think anybody hears them. But okay, now let's just stock some of the broccoli. Broccoli. Need to stock broccoli. Stock broccoli. So you give me broccoli. Broccoli is always healthy, and I just love broccoli. I love broccoli. It's so healthy and good and refreshing, and I just love broccoli. Broccoli tastes good.
It tastes so bad.
It's full of vitamins. And it's healthy, and it helps you grow. And turn into the person you always want to be.
We have some food. So now,
Okay, because you always.
now let me put. I'm not sure if this can fit. Let me just
like that.
Wait, where's the?
Yeah, I noticed it that your face was.
I know we bought a pink cup.
Oh, it's in the fridge.
The pink cup.
It's in the
Hopefully
fridge.
it's the fridge. It's not supposed to be in the fridge. It's supposed to be on top of the fridge. So I need to hold it.
I think my car is not gonna stay in there. I think my car is gonna stay up there.
Yeah. Okay.
Just leave them like that too.
I'm laying down. Okay. Now let me. I need to put the fridge first, and I need to put the pink cup up there. Need to put the pink cup up here, and
Send me a link to. Oh, you have another job.
oh no, the pink cup. It is going to go up there. I know it. I just need to kind of throw it up there.
There, now put it up my room.
Okay, and then I need to put it up. I need to. Wait, where did the cup? There. Holding the cup. Oh, the cup fell. Make sure the cup doesn't fall, Princess Barbie. Make sure. And there, put the pink cup and everything. Good. It's actually kind of good. Okay, of course it's good. Of course it's good.
Push me.
Okay, Chelsea, if you want, I'll push you. Or I'll just push you. I don't know why, but I'm just going to push you because you asked me to. I'm going to push you because you've been asking me. Yeah.
Push me.
Oh no, Chelsea, you fell.
Where should we keep it?
I guess, maybe up under my bed.
Okay. Are you sure it's gonna fit here?
I think. Okay, I'm gonna come downstairs now because I'm upstairs.
It's not fit. Does it fit?
Maybe just keep it outside.
Outside, okay.
Okay, now let me come downstairs. Downstairs. Come downstairs. Come stepping ahead. Stepping ahead. Stepping ahead. Done. Okay, now let me just come downstairs. Okay, now I think that's a little bit better.
Where do we keep this big thing?
I don't don't know. I'm just gonna kind of sit on it.
Barbie. Yeah, hush her, Barbie. She would never know what I am.
I just heard what you said. Chelsea, wasn't that pretty fun, right? Chelsea? Chelsea, where are you, Chelsea? I know you're hiding somewhere. Chelsea? Wait, I just realized something. You know, this box, it's moving. The box is moving. Chelsea must be inside it. But how do I open the box? Chelsea, I have your favorite cookies.
Favorite cookies!
Chelsea, you wear your clothes.
Oh no. They wear clothes now?
Yeah, good. You're never not wearing clothes.
You've not eaten lunch, right?
Did it fit me?
No, there's not eaten.
Oh, why are people outside are talking about some lunch? I don't know why people outside are screaming so a lot about lunch. Oh, I hear some footsteps outside. There's banging noises outside. Well, guys, people are talking outside, and water's running outside. Okay, guys, it's just about to be afternoon. You can play a little bit with your toys, and we also have some guests. So yeah, that's just guests. Oh, I just realized the guests are coming right now. Ding dong. Oh, the guests are here. Long time no see. Okay, now let me just introduce you to a little bit of my house.
Okay.
You and your daughters can play with my little sister, Chelsea.
Oh, I think I saw Chelsea. I think she was playing out there.
Oh, okay. Let me just show you a little bit around the house.
Okay. I'd love to see how you're upstairs.
Yeah, let's go. But first, you should see my kitchen. It's really pretty.
Oh, did Chelsea decorate it with stickers?
Oh, where are you? I can't see you.
Oh, right here.
Oh, okay. Well, that was pretty good. Well, I haven't seen you in a long time. Since like 3 years, I haven't seen you.
Well, I want to look at your fridge first. Did Chelsea decorate it with stickers or not?
Oh, she decorated with stickers.
Oh, nice.
She just decorated it with more stickers this morning.
Oh, nice. Did she have a sticker pad?
Yeah, okay, now let me show you around the house.
Okay.
Leah, come.
Coming.
We need to play with Chelsea.
But where is Chelsea?
I don't know.
Chelsea.
Are you here? Chelsea?
Oh, yes,
Chelsea.
I am here. I was playing outside.
Oh.
Okay, where's Elsia?
She is at the dentist with Auntie Elsa.
Oh, okay.
With Elsa. So what should we play first?
I was just playing outside.
Right now it's morning.
I think I was just playing outside a bit, until I saw you guys come.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to play outside?
Maybe we should play hide and seek.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love that game.
Yeah, it was so fun.
Okay, so who's gonna be it?
I think Chelsea wants to. Yeah, I do.
Okay, so Chelsea looks like you're it.
I'm gonna go count. We count here in the corner.
Chelsea, you're it.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody, Chelsea's it. So now we're going to go and hide somewhere.
Exactly where to hide. This is a good spot. She's gonna see me now with the toilet. And the toilet's kind of squishing me. Where do I hide?
10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. Okay, so maybe I can, I can hide under here. This is a good spot. Nobody will. I can hide under Chelsea's bed. Ah, there's a lot of dirt on the floor, but I guess I can manage it. This is the best spot ever under here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come.
Where could they be? Let me check. Oh, they love to hide up here.
They're not.
Oh, everybody likes to hide here. They're not there? What? But they always hide here. Are they in? Are they in here? Nope. Are they in here? Nope. Here's something.
You'll never find me. You'll never find me. Because this is the best beautiful ever.
It's coming from under my bed.
She'll never find me because this is the best hiding spot ever.
I hear something.
Maybe I can just open these bars. I don't think she's coming. Now I guess we should go look.
Anya.
Yeah, look for Anya.
Yeah, since I already found
Her name's not Anya.
Oh yeah. I'm in the
Because she kind of looks like. Just because she kind of has red hair and Anna has orangish brown hair. I see some little feet. What if I tickle them? Oh man, we just had breakfast and I don't know why we left our plate. Okay, now we're just gonna have breakfast, guys. You guys, you're gonna have to go. Bye. We just finished our breakfast. Now we're gonna have breakfast. Okay. We're just about to have some breakfast, so you're gonna have to go home. So, bye guys. This is the end of the video.
Bye.
Chelsea, come here on my laps.
Okay.
Peace